Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify product variants. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Alright, so the very first thing is it is going to be happening from the admin panel. You do not need to go to your front end section or online store. So simply head over to your products, and there we are going to be jumping onto one of these products for the demonstration. Let me just scroll down. You can see we have different variants option in here, so you can add options like size, color. You have seat type, back seat, a backrest type, and if you want to add a custom field, you can do that, like for example option name, option values, and if you want to delete it, you can do that as well. So that's how easily you are able to change Shopify product variants once you are on the front end section. Pretty simple. If you still have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Stay happy, stay tuned, and see you in the next video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.